Understanding GSTR1 for GST filing. GSTR1 is a monthly or quarterly return that registered taxpayers under the Goods and Services Tax (GST) must file to report their outward supplies, sales of goods and services. Key features of GSTR1. 1. Details captured. Invoice-wise details, sales invoices issued to registered taxpayers, B2B sales. Invoice-wise details, sales invoices issued to unregistered taxpayers, B2C sales. Details of credit-debit notes issued during the period. Export sales. Advance receipts, for which invoices are yet to be issued. 2. Filing frequency. Monthly, for taxpayers with an annual turnover exceeding 1.5 crore rupees. Quarterly, for taxpayers with an annual turnover up to 1.5 crore rupees. 3. Due dates. Monthly filing, 11th of the following month. Quarterly filing, last day of the month following the quarter. 4. Importance. Input tax credit, ITC, for recipients, the details filed in GSTR1 are auto-populated in the recipient's GSTR2A, enabling them to claim ITC. Compliance, regular and timely filing helps maintain compliance and avoid penalties. Reconciliation, assists in the reconciliation of sales data with the books of accounts. Steps to file GSTR1. 1. Log in to the GST portal. Go to the GST portal, https://www.gst.gov.in/right. Use your GSTIN and password to log in. 2. Navigate to Return Dashboard. Select Services, Returns Dashboard. Choose the financial year and return filing period. 3. Fill in details. Provide details of outward supplies in relevant sections. Verify the summary of added invoices and other required information. 4. Save and submit. Save the entered details periodically to avoid data loss. After verifying all entries, submit the return. 5. Generate summary. Generate the GSTR1 summary to review the details before final submission. 6. File return. File the return using a DSC, Digital Signature Certificate, or EVC, Electronic Verification Code. 7. Acknowledgement. Upon successful filing, an Acknowledgement Reference Number, ARN, is generated. Key sections in GSTR1. Section 4. Taxable outward supplies made to registered persons, B2B. Section 5. Taxable outward supplies made to unregistered persons, B2C. Section 6. Zero-rated supplies, exports. Section 7. Taxable supplies to unregistered persons where the total invoice value is up to 2.5 lakh rupees. Section 8. Nil-rated, exempted, and non-GST outward supplies. Section 9. Amendments to previous periods details. Section 10. Advances received adjusted in the current tax period. Benefits of filing GSTR1. Facilitates ITC claims for buyers. Ensures accurate tax reporting and compliance. Helps avoid penalties and interest for late filing. Supports business